Here's another day at the office. We go in to get started in the studio. This is the power up sequence. Turn on some lights so we can see what we're doing. Next thing to do is head for the computer room. Turn on the computer. I used to have a couple of computers running in tandem in a rack mount, but they advanced to the point that you can just use a regular computer. It's a Windows 7 box sitting on the floor in there. Amazing, the technology now. Tons of cabling going to it. Going back into the control room, I have a pair of Event 2020 BAS powered monitors that I use at the keyboard workstation. I've turned power on to that one. Across the way, I have a master power distribution box that will turn on all the console gear, the two mixers, and any of the rack gear that I happen to be using that's mounted in the consoles. You'll see the mixers going through their fader power up test. A lot of flashing lights, and the faders do a little dance to make sure the motors are working properly. That's the Tascam SX1. It's the heart of my console. Used to be the hard disk recorder as well. You can see the computer's still booting. I turn on my Kurzweil K2600. That's the keyboard I'm using in the control room. There's my live rack. I have a couple of Furman PL8 power distribution strips in there, and I'm using a Focusrite audio interface there to interface the Mac Mini. Turn on the other event monitor, and that's pretty much it. You stand back and wait for it all to boot up. I'll plug in the password for the Windows computer and get busy working.